parents and families, I am taking this video today to show you how to navigate our virtual classroom for Seminole Connect. So the first thing your child is going to do is go to Clever. And to get Clever, if you're not sure, you can just type into Google Clever for SCPS students. And you can click this first link right here and it will take you to Clever. Now their login for Clever is going to be that same login on that card that I gave you with their username and password. If they're on a Seminole County laptop, it should automatically sign them in to Clever. Now, once you're in Clever, you're going to look for something that says Jane Nieves' page or Mrs. Nieves' page. You're going to click that. Once you're there, you're going to click Seminole Connect Google site, and it's going to take you to our Seminole Connect Google site. Now, this is our main site for information. You can go here to find all sorts of information for our Google Classroom and our Seminole Connect Learning. So this video we posted right here, how to navigate our virtual classroom in case you need extra support. This icon here is to log in with Clever. If you go down here, you'll see these different icons. Our light blue icon is our daily schedule and newsletter. Our red icon is our attendance and class meeting icon. Our orange icon is our daily assignments. Yellow is centers and small group instruction. Green is primary years program and leader in me information. Dark blue is our frequently asked questions. Purple is to contact me. And then pink is our movement. I'm going to go through each icon now. Now, the first thing your child is going to do right away is click on the attendance and class meeting icon. When you click on the mark your attendance, your child's going to see this page and they're just going to mark their attendance. Now, I'm not going to go too deep into that because I'm going to teach your child how to do that themselves on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of this upcoming week. Now, this right here is so important. This is our Google Meet icon. This icon will take them straight to our virtual class meetings. Every time we're going to meet for morning meeting, for English language arts, for math, for science, this is where they're going to go. Once they click on that, it will take them to our Google Meet. Right now, it says it's off because I'm turning it off, but they'll just turn on the camera and keep their microphone off, and then they'll be able to see me and see their classmates. To go back home, you just move down and you just go here and click home. Here you can find our daily assignments tab. You can find our daily assignments tab per day. Monday, click here and that'll take you to our Google Classroom Monday assignments. Click here, that'll take you to our Tuesday assignments, Wednesday assignments, Thursday, and so on. So if they click Tuesday, it will take them right here. Here's Mrs. Nieves' Seminole Connect class. This is for Tuesday, and right here you can see they already have a couple assignments that I'm putting in for this week. So all they'll do to do their All About Me Nearpod, once I let them know it's time for them to do that, these are things they will be doing independently usually. This week they will be doing it independently. So all your child will have to do is click it, and it will take them directly to their Nearpod. They'll just need to type in their name and then begin. Once they're done, they can go back to either the Google Classroom and do the next assignment, but again, I'm going to teach your child all of this. This is really just for your reference. And then also now we will have a specials assignments. When they click specials, it will open to the specials tab in Google Classroom. You can see they have 5. So our specials will be PE on Mondays, then music on Tuesdays, PE on Wednesday, art on Thursday, and then PE on Friday. These will mainly just be Nearpods. They can click them like before, and it will automatically start for them. They'll just have to put in their name. Alright, later on there'll be some enrichment and reading logs, but that's not quite set up yet. Centers and small group instruction. This is where they will have to go for their reading and math centers, and down here are some icons for our support staff at the school. I will speak more and help more about that once it begins, but we won't start small group until like our 3rd, 4th week of school. Go back home. Here's our primary years program. You can click that to get information on that. Frequently asked questions. This will take us to our frequently asked questions. Right here you can see what are the supplies my child might need. I know a few parents were asking that. They can go right here to find that out. Go back home. Contact me. Here's my contact information. Oops. Here's my contact information. The school phone number, my phone number, and my email. Then finally, the pink movement tab is just if I feel also your child is being wiggly, I might send them to this tab and be like, hey, go do a movement video real quick, or I'm going to give you 10 minutes to do some movement videos, or just take a quick brain break. They can go here and I'll take them to a safe YouTube link and they'll be able to complete that. And then finally, on our main page, you'll see this little icon that says Parents. And that will take you to the district help desk phone number, and you can reach out there. Now, if you click this class updates button, it will take you to our Google Classroom stream. So here you can see Mrs. Nieves' Seminole Connect class. Here I'll be posting assignments. You can see posting announcements. Sorry, not assignments. Up here you can see upcoming assignments. I'm gonna always make them due at the end of the week. And then that's it. If you have any other questions regarding this, please don't hesitate to reach out through email or phone call. I will always respond to you within 24 hours, sometimes sooner. Now, the first week is going to be a lot of getting familiar with stuff, and I will definitely be helping your child on how to understand this program. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to a great school year. Have a great day. Bye.